Hey guys, and thanks for joining me once again. Today is a very exciting day for me because I've received a package all the way from Spain. These are the Apollo gloves from Andromeda Moto. I've been looking forward to getting these for quite a while, so just thought we'd unwrap them together and see what they're like out of the packet. It's still sealed, nothing's opened yet. I usually take a size extra large, so that's what I've ordered. We'll see if they fit my hands like a glove. Let's go. And what do we have here? Straight away, this is, oh, looking like a nice package. Look at that, we have a bonus. Another Andromeda t-shirt. Brilliant. If you've not heard of Andromeda Moto, they're a 100% vegan company based in Spain. They produce motorcycle clothing and they have a fully vegan race suit that you can use on track, the Near X. So yeah, definitely go check them out. They're brilliant guys to deal with, very helpful, and they've got some superb products. If you check my other videos, I've reviewed some of the other products I've got, the comic gloves, the Neo-Wise jacket, which I will be doing an update on those two items at some point this spring, hopefully. So thanks Andromeda Moto for the t-shirt, the bonus. And the gloves come in a nice little bag. For storage. And here they are. I really do hope they fit, because sending them back to Spain is going to be a pain in the backside otherwise. That's the only problem with them not having a UK distributor, but hopefully that will come in time. So there we are on camera. Absolutely beautiful bits of kit. They look nice and airy. So I'm going to try the right hand side on first. And yeah, hey, fit pretty nice actually. I mean, the sizing is pretty much perfect. Feel a little bit tight around the palm area, but yeah, but from my experience with the Meteor gloves, that will bed in. So yeah, no, they feel really nice actually. So let's try the left hand side one before I cut the final bit of plastic. I do have a big ring, and that does get in the way sometimes of putting gloves on. But no, that's yeah, no, that one fits absolutely perfect. I feel like my right hand is slightly thicker than my left hand, because I'm just probably, every glove I have, the right hand side is a little bit tighter than the left side. So. But this one fits absolutely perfect. So remember, on size extra large, that is pretty much bang on really. So these are meant as like a cafe racer type glove, and they really do fulfill that brief nicely. Separate them and show them to you closer. There you go. And that lovely Andromeda Moto there, nice and subtle. So let's try them both on together. Yeah, I feel like that is going to give a bit, so yeah, that feels, put it on the second time, it's okay. These gloves at the minute are £72.99, obviously plus postage. But yeah, very happy with them. They look absolutely spot on. They're going to look great with an EOI jacket. In terms of fit, as I said, everything's nice. Yeah, it's fitting me perfectly. Protection wise, you got the scaphoid protector there, but yeah, knuckle protector there, some padded bits on your fingers there. So yeah, these are plenty protected enough by the looks of it. I don't think they're CE approved yet, that's one thing to bear in mind, but I trust the guys at Andromeda 100%. They stand behind their products, and from the videos I've seen on the internet and the pictures I've seen of people that have crashed in their items, I'm trusting Andromeda over my skin. So yeah, I don't feel too thick. I feel lovely actually. I feel like there's a few perforations, so hopefully it'll be nice and airy in the summer. Time will tell. Yeah, I think these look absolutely beautiful, and I think they might be replacing the Meteors as my favourite gloves. Also to note that build quality looks absolutely sublime. These look like they will last a pretty good amount of time. The Velcro looks pretty good quality. All the seams are really nicely done. It looks, I mean they look more expensive than a £72.99 glove. Oh, that's what I will say. Absolutely fantastic. I'm over the moon with them. I can't wait to wear these, but it's a bit cold out there now, so maybe in the summer, yeah. There we go guys, very happy with them. Thanks Andromeda, brilliant company, keep up with the good work. See you next time.